Leatherman Company. The original Leatherman right there. Started in 1983. Been producing tools in Portland, Oregon. They specialize in multi-tools. And they have multi-tools for just about everything. I mean, oh man, you kidding me? If you can't find what you want, I don't know where else you go. But as you can see, whatever you want, they've got it. And the warranties that I looked at, most of these on here were 25-year warranties. So I think it's everything I looked at so far was 25-year warranty. There's knives there, combo knives, and here's straight knives. So yeah, Leatherman, made in the USA.